What's up, everybody? Here at Gold's Gym Islip, Strong Island Stangs car show. Sick cars, man. Pretty much anything you can think of. We got American muscle, we got exotics. Of course, we got tons of Mustangs. We got trucks, we got Jeeps, we got everything. Look at this beautiful LX right over here, 91. $16,000. Sick. All stock. I would imagine it still has the intake silencer. It's got headers on it, but pretty stock for the most part. I have no idea what those are from. Clean 2-valve. One of my favorite Foxes. Got a feature car.
I have the Bolt sit on my couch at home.
Beautiful. Badass CR1.
I was nervous when I called you.
Truck's a badass. Really like this JL or I think it's JK. Sick wrap. This is my buddy Michael's car. Put a lot of blood and sweat into this. My buddy Billy's car, beautiful 86. Paint is so slick on this car. Tom's show-stopping California special. The car is absolutely flawless. Trophy magnet. Every last detail you can think of on this car. Dude, this place is crazy, the cars that we have here today. Pretty much anything you can think of. Look at that. I think this is a Fairmont Futura. Paulie admiring the Coyote swap. Gives him a thumbs up. Yeah, yeah, buddy. We got DJ Pace in the building. My buddy Brian's 85. Rocking the BBS RKs. How's the day going, Keith?
Yo, what's up, Adam? We're doing it.
Trophies. Judged event. We got your hats, we got your decals. Whatever you need. Amazing day here. A lot of the cars are starting to cut out, but wow, beautiful weather, beautiful cars, great people, can't ask for anything else. And good time here. Gold's Gym Islip, Strong Island Stangs. Hopefully we'll have some more events before it gets too cold out, but we'll see how it goes, you know what I mean? So thank you so much for watching, and make sure you hit that subscribe button to get all the latest content here, and we'll see you on the next one.